Very common cases handled in criminal court are shoplifting and drug-related offenses. In every case, I always order discovery, or in other words, the evidence from the prosecutor and police, so I can review any potential exculpating facts that may help my client in the case. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes the police take shortcuts. They cut corners, and when they do, I play that up in court to help my clients. In shoplifting cases, it is very important for the state to have their witnesses present because the police almost never witness the event. Without witnesses present, the state cannot prove its case, and as a criminal defense attorney, my job is to hold the state up to its proofs, and without proof, a case must be dismissed. Drug cases overwhelmingly stem from motor vehicle stops, so it's important to know the law on what justifies a stop. The police almost always search for drugs without a warrant, so as an attorney I am an expert on the individual Fourth and Fifth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures and the right to remain silent. If the police cannot show that they operated under an exception to the warrant requirement, and I am your attorney, the case will get dismissed. I file a motion to suppress the evidence based on illegal stop or search and seizure, and if granted, the case is dismissed. If not, then we negotiate some type of resolution with the prosecutor. Sometimes if the prosecutor realizes the case is weak, he or she will voluntarily dismiss the charges or give us a generous offer. It's important to get an attorney to represent your interests because the state and the police will always have an attorney, the prosecutor, to represent their interests. And with shoplifting cases where the stakes are a criminal record, probation, and even incarceration, or in drug-related cases where the stakes are loss of license, probation, a record, and even jail, it's important that you have an experienced and seasoned attorney represent you in court. I am Leon Matchin. I am an experienced DUI, criminal defense, and traffic attorney. If you are summoned to appear in court and are looking for seasoned representation, call me to discuss your case.